Hello, I'm QueenV and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little story time about how I accidentally fell in love with a bag I was not really planning to buy. And that bag is the Gucci shoulder bag, which is part of their 2026 spring collection. Yes, today is just November 2025 and they have already released their 2026 collection. Hi! Yesterday, I had a meeting in Makati, and after my meeting, I went to Greenbelt 5. And as usual, I went to my favorite shops. So I went inside Gucci and checked if there are bags that I would like. Even if for now, I don't plan to buy any new bag. But unfortunately, I saw one bag that I believe I can use it always because of its design and its practicality. But the thing is, I'm trying to avoid buying new bags because I wanted to increase my savings. Today is Saturday. Last night, I was really thinking about it before going to sleep. And then today, I decided to go to the gym, hoping that I will change my mind. But unfortunately, I am still thinking about that bag. And I just texted my sales assistant in Gucci and asking if they have promotions. Apparently, their promotions are just the 0% interest, which I don't normally avail that. So I like something that are tangible, like some giveaways or freebies. I am now heading to Gucci Greenbelt 5 to check out the bag that I have been eyeing. So, welcome to Gucci store. These are the current bags on display. By the way, Gucci Greenbelt 5 is their flagship store here in the Philippines, which means they have the most bags available and they're always the first to get the latest model. Half Horsebit bags come in different colors, sizes, type of material, and designs. So ito for...
Ako ma'am, I would always go for black or brown din kasi timeless din yung dalawang.
Pang meron sa baba,
Mga shoes.
hindi na.
Ano ma'am, pwede na.
Pinag-isipan ko nga itong mabuti.
This is me after buying and of course with my SA. This time, let's do the unboxing. So, they gave me a very big bag because it contains two items. First, of course, is the bag, but prior to that, so they put this one and they scented this with their Gucci perfume. And this is the box of the bag that I bought. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Let's find out if I got the black or the brown one. So they wrap it this way. And let's find out which color I chose. The dust bag. This is the Gucci Half Horsebit medium shoulder bag in brown color. Let's open and remove all the papers so that you'll see how spacious is this bag. So there is one pocket here, and then it's a very spacious bag inside. Basically, it's very similar to Loewe. This is the Half Horsebit logo. Okay, so you wear it this way or this way. The sales assistant recommended it to be worn here, this one at the back, para daw hindi madaling magasgas. Okay. And why I love this bag, I can put a lot of things, even an umbrella. I can put it here, my wallet, everything. And then what I like most about it, I can wear it this way. It's like a boom bag of Louis Vuitton. It's very simple, but I find it very nice because it's very versatile. I believe this is one of the bags I can always gravitate to when I go to malls or run errands or go shopping. It's just simple, but I like it. Especially if you will wear it this way. So, para kita yung Gucci logo. Subtle lang siya. Because the logo is not shouting. If you know, you know. Because others do not know that this is a Horsebit logo. By the way, they don't have the certificate of authenticity anymore, which normally they put inside, because they told me that there is already a chip embedded in this bag. So they would know if this is an authentic or not. So if they will scan it, they would know if it's original. Okay, so look at the back of this bag. Okay, so it's actually not structured. It's semi-structured. So this one, they have this lining to keep the shape of the bag. You can also adjust the shoulder strap. You cannot detach it. So it's permanently attached. And now, let's try to put my things inside. Okay, so my wallet, it's very bulky. What else? My cell phone, my eyeglasses, and my coin purse. Normally, these are the only things I bring when I go out. So, but I told you a while ago, I can also put my umbrella. So, here's my umbrella. Look at inside. And, let's say I want to bring my perfume, but I don't usually bring my perfume. Okay. This is the Tiffany perfume. And let's say I want to add some more. Let's add this. The airbrush mist. I want to look fresh again. Pero kaka-makeup ko lang eh. Let's put this. Oh, diba? Sosyal. So, I guess this bag is very useful. I will have a lot of wear of this. The cost per wear will be sulit. Okay. So, this is the Half Horsebit Gucci shoulder bag, which is part of their 2026 Spring Collection. By the way, as I always mention that I normally ask giveaways whenever I buy expensive things. So I asked for a giveaway and this is the one that gave me. Since magpapasko, they gave me this fresh Christmas ornament. Actually, mabango siya. Sabi niya, diligan ko daw para hindi masyadong matuyo. But it's okay if it is dry. So, this is the Gucci ornament. Ayan, social. Okay, so that's my video for today. So I hope you enjoy watching my vlog. Till again, this is QueenV saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!